See what I can do about that.
She remembers.
KFC's original recipe. Our 2-piece Tuesday deal with 2 pieces, side and a biscuit.
I'll bet you know how to grapple.
Man, I tell you what, you can dance.
There she goes spinning again.
About the things they like. This.
Whoa.
It's gonna be over soon.
Whoa.
Hey, Ella. Ella, can you say yogurt? Can
Say noodle.
Pizza Hut's got a big
Can you say? Uh-oh.
Big Monday.
Can you say noodle?
Pizzas for just $6 each.
Ella, look at Mimi.
Pizzas, any crust with up to
Ella Rose.
just $6 each. Only on
Ella, can you say noodle? Ella, where's Lena? There's Lena. Can you give Lena a kiss?
classic bits from Christmas packs.
Oh, big love for Lena. Oh. Ella, do you love Lena?
Ella, do you love me? Do you love me? Guess not.
Oh, her does too. Oh, goodness.
Lots of props, and of course, a 1-minute timer. All you need to
Puppy scratched her.
The puppy wants your kisses. Can you, where's the puppy's nose? Where's the puppy's nose?
Ella, get a kiss. Ella, watch.
and Josh Neal.
Good dog. Baby. Settle down.
You can give it a kiss.
Give it a kiss. Give the puppy dog a kiss.
Shot to go after
Oh,
$5,000.
oh, that's so sweet.
Watch, Ella. Ella, give a kiss. Give a kiss right there. Give a kiss. Give the puppy dog a kiss.
This is your
Girl.